Well, it's a beautiful day, people. Beautiful day. Slightly overcast. Here we have a telescopic gate that we've just finished. Telescopic. So what it is it's two gates that fold back together. It's quite an interesting challenge, this one, because the distance from this pillar back to the wall is actually shorter than this half of this opening. Normally you just think about it in thirds. So we had to put the post a little bit into the opening of the driveway, but the fact of the matter, this gate is pretty much closed most of the time, so it doesn't really need to have a be completely concealed. But this one has it's a special Beninca motor that has the correct torque and soft close settings for this particular motor. So how this works is there's a cable that runs underneath the gate. The cable is connected at this central point on this post, and you can see at the back the ability to adjust the cable tension at the back. And then the top of this gate here is the only gate that's connected to the post, has this slide guide. It's nylon on aluminium powder coated, so you are going to get a little bit of scratching on this oil bracket, but that can actually slide up and down. So that's that's an alternative to a side roller, which probably isn't very suitable for a telescopic gate because it will just flop around. Also, you can see the middle has a slide guide as well, which is connected to this gate, so you can just see how that works. So that's how that works. So this motor's got a manual stopper on it. It's just like a little spring that sticks out, and that spring lets the gate know when it's closing. I have got these Beninca remotes. They are the long range remotes, and you put a little receiver inside of the box for these long range remotes. And the reason these are important is the customer wanted to open the gate from back there, so that by the time they come back the gate's actually closed. So these are actually really cool remotes because they have a haptic feedback. You press the button and it vibrates. Other accessories like normal, so safety beams and a keypad. And that's how a telescopic gate works. I mean, these are on the high side as far as the cost. There's a lot of work that goes into working out the dimensions and the sizes to make sure it fits the opening, but we're happy to quote anyone. Obviously we're in New Zealand, so if you're in America, it's probably not going to work. Maybe one day, but if you want to get a price, best thing to do is get in contact with us and get an idea of what something like this is going to cost. But you're sort of looking at the 25 to 35,000 sort of range. It's quite a decent gate, but obviously this is a slat gate. You can do all sorts of different gates, but aluminium slat I'd say is one of the better gates. So that's what it looks like.